take on load at length. So we want this tissue to learn how to go into length. So the ankle is going to go into inversion, the very way we tweaked it. Okay. Now you have a couple of angles with this. So you have inversion, and then you have plantar with inversion. So we're taking that tissue at its full possible longest length. Okay. And then you need something that's going to block the foot. Now, a human hand is really good because I can hold, there's this bone right here, and if I hook my thumb on the back side of this bone is actually really important to the human body for your anatomy of the foot because it helps stabilize you. But if I take my thumb, anybody can hook right here. So now that bone is in the crevice of my thumb here. So I hold there. I don't need to hold with a hold-out force, but I can back it up with this hand right here on the heel. So now I've got you locked in. You're going to generate force trying to bring the ankle into eversion, slowly and controlled. All right, go ahead. Now, as you do that, I'm just holding you firmly. And what happens next is you reach a certain level. This is low load, so don't go beyond your perception of 60%. Okay, you got 100%, dial that down to 60. Don't even go past 60. 45, 50 is actually a good place to hang out because you're gonna hold it for at least 30 to 45 seconds. Even a minute is good, as long as you can stay consistent with that same level of load. What that does is we call it low load, high frequency, because you're keeping it for a long duration of time. It's sending the signal into that tissue while at length teaching this stuff how to absorb force better, which would help with the clicking, okay? That is your length loading progression, pales contraction for ankle inversion, targeting the fibularis longus.